Abusua Asɛm. If there is one thing that the NPP are good at, spoiling people's plan for the nation and spoiling people's campaign. That is adeɛ baako a MPP for very good at. Say obi di adepa ba na yɛbɔ ato agu, they are very good at it. Until you take a look at something like 24-hour economy. MPP for nimpa say policy bi ebeboa, but adeɛ bɛkyi ama wɔn asoma wɔn communicators say wɔn nkɔ say policy ni din. That is MPP for you. Obi to say a friends miracles abuajene sa NSO wusu bempa etimi kwotena TV so eka 24-hour economy asem say enye possible. Na Bawumia so say ya adwuma Ghana dada. Enye possible. Abra 24-hour economy ya adwuma Germany, UK, USA. Advanced countries Canada no 24 hours economy. But almost say any economy papa. But they know it in their mind. Take time they try to what? To spoil the policy and give it to Ghanaians. Say any masena mam wenji. And no and a yediti krum hande. And to your ho and I end this for a day policy be ba say or Ombe making sure say mama poultry farming nkukọ yen ayade bi enwa hia na ebinim a omo anko school omo ni NG school omo ni nje aban djuma hu omo pese omo ye omo de no NDC aban be support MPP for say boy jo Mahama ni vision ade chi ya we na air trendy. This is what I saw. I don't know if this is really true or not. Me name say no cre and I say enye no cre, but this is what I saw. I just say MPP for air cancer way. Agric, fisheries, food security. What is next with Dr. Bawumia? Incentivize more youth to go into poultry production. This is what I saw. Me nim say no cre MPP for na ne share say dey with you enye omu amenim. But allegedly, what they are trying to say is that Dr. Bawumia, Eddie Mampenya, they will make sure that Omama, a lot of youth go into poultry production. And Kukoyen na MPP for ebe charge on Mahama da padidi na term council or ni vision or ni mishi or ni timuno. I'll criticize John Mahama or no. Adie chinye. Shani umabe. Sana 24-hour economy baye. Wamu kanwasem sa adie chinye. Keno foriata kwa kind budget wa parliament nation. And the way if say a true pass NPP for that is your plan now. And then you guys should bow your heads in shame. Say no said that is your plan now. You guys should bow your heads in shame. You know the reason? The reason is that munim niye Ghana, munim adepa and so mo be. Say kamunim say ade we betima boa Ghana for, ade we betima boa youth. Ahenhan yomo abie opportunities ama omo a. Ade na 8 years mwanye. And beside that no, mo abehun se eye no. Adenti ena John Mahama proposes a plan na wa entempa mwanye. Ama yankase mwa ya ade yembo mabaso. Amusi Bawumia mbedi mampenya amsa. Me I don't have any evidence say ampa eye MPP for ena eye den aye we ya omuri atom from amuse omo pese youth bebre wura poultry farming mu. I don't have any evidence. Benim say no cry na say nya no cry. But if this is true, say MPP for na dey we aba outer and the eyeboa payo, they know the right thing, but they don't want to do. John Mahama and Samuel Kanyina, there is nothing na emfa progress. Embre Ghana ni. Na unim enkuko so mfaso. mo criticize Mahama kan asɛm no unim enkukɔ so emfa so wɔ Ghana. Do you know Christmas by bisa akukɔ baako boɔ? First no kura 100 cedis a onya akukɔ to. And then akukɔ ye above 200 cedis. And the one kita 250, 270, 280, 300 to 400 a wonya akukɔ papanto. And the kusua baako won kran ha ye 3 cedis. Akra ha kusua baako ye 3 Ghana cedis. 3. And why na catch us say poultry farming enye? Who told you that? Do you know the number? Do you know the amount of money people are making out of poultry farming in this country? Do you know? When you sika nipa making out of poultry farming, you don't know. Do you know the importance of poultry farming? And the MP before, a young person muna mutade which a wombra wanting becano crenchre, and yamuso amoka. Na say yamwa, ma ferry. A yamwa ma ferry. Serious. Now, Shadia. This is breaking news. Every global info analytics for Enchain. Yes, say breaking news from MRP model forecast. NPP 99 seats, NDC 151 seats, Independent 2, toss up 24. Yes, say ye two aban there according to global info for yes ye two aba and there. MPP be winning 99 seats, NDC be winning 151 seats, independent candidates no 2 ebe winning. And a toss up no so ye friends and constituency Asɛm ebe ba ho. So we say me na me win, we say me na me win, na ye nhyada ho figures no ebia ye be tam ballot paper de dwane ye ebia ye be yesi global info for omo research no mo ye they check all corners so say abato dey we see a betin effect be na betin baba yes to toss up ni say election ye beto awie but miamia bi wo hono ma resource ni nyere enyamba out it is a techima insaf menya ntie say techima insaf election resource yam fan kan na declare no yes 2020 techima insaf election resource na enka ho yam fan ka ho na yam fan nya den anka ho so toss up no election results ne be back out by ye hu winner ebe ya kasakasa omun so be ye den 24. But beside that, secured seat master no NDC benya 151 NPP 99. Me say in the history of Fourth Republic, started democracy asi. This is the only year be hun say MPP for over nipa 20 be lose o seat. Trended date to. And na ye 5th November. Me say me say me bebre ho no ma me kan ye to aba wi a e na mo be kai me. Now the mum famine hwe. Me say MPP for be lose o seat bebre this year. MPC the bebre be lose o seat is a must. Constituencies binu wo ho no ma MPP be lose e be ye one dan dream honda say MPP be lose. Bombe lose. So a factor that ho. Minchama age, me King fantastic. So that is the breaking news. On 7th December 2024, to Obama by Papa. And then a USA so election no e koso. O hwa me free USA election na e koso saying Trump and Nancy Kamala Harris na ebe winning. Nkrofo mienu we why na ebe winning na why na betimi aboa America. O hwa me free USA ma mente wo kan what is going on my update kakra why me da say